Hey everyone, Taylor here with Neville Motors, taking you around something a little bit different today. A 2009 Pontiac G8 GT sedan. Gorgeous looking car here, kind of that ultimate sleeper. This is going to be a GT, meaning that it does have the 6-liter V8 engine, boasting 361 horsepower. 0 to 60 is 5.4 seconds on here. You of course get dual exhaust. Nice thing about these cars are there's plenty of room in them for daily drivers, and what makes this one special is going to be just how little miles this has. As a lot of these that you're going to see are going to have a lot of miles on it. This one only has 34,500. This one's never been altered in any way. It's all stock. Here, I'll start it up for you. Nice exhaust note, can definitely tell it's a V8 in here, not your standard V6. Definitely not your father's Pontiac. Wheels are in great shape. We did throw new tires on here. The front end, also in phenomenal shape. There's no gashes in the bumper. Really just a well taken care of vehicle. This deep crimson red, this paint color is in great shape. There we go. Same with the interior. Power seat, and there are some extra controls back there to really dial in your seat. Door panels are all in great shape. No rips or tears. Getting inside, you can see right there, 34,516 miles. Steering wheel's in great shape. Center dash is in great shape. Does have the upgraded radio in it. Make sure that's down. Otherwise, right here, it will adapt right up on the screen. You do have dual zone climate then, and your fan controls down there. Heated seats. Right here you do have a 6-speed automatic transmission with a manual mode right over here on the right. And in the center then you do have your power window switches. As we turn to the back seat, again, this is going to be a car that you can drive every day. Plenty of room. If you want to haul people, kids, but yet still have that fun daily driver experience with the 6-liter V8, this might be the car for you. If you or someone you know is interested in this 2009 Pontiac, please feel free to reach out at 715-256-2900 or check us out online at nevillemotorsgm.com. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks.